The fastest thing in the universe is light. Scientists have even measured its speed. It travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second, around 186,000 miles per second. But how is it possible to measure something moving so fast that we can't even see it in motion? To figure this out, scientists designed a clever experiment. One famous method was developed by Hippolyte Fizeau. He used a setup with a light source. Imagine something like a laser. The light first passed through a rapidly spinning wheel with small gaps, called a toothed wheel. From there, it traveled about 1.6 kilometers to a mirror, reflected back, and then tried to pass through the wheel again before reaching the observer. Here's the trick. Fizeau started spinning the wheel faster and faster. At a certain speed, the returning light was completely blocked. This meant that by the time the light traveled to the mirror and came back, the wheel had rotated just enough for a solid part, a tooth, to block the light instead of a gap. In other words, the time it took for the light to make the round trip was exactly equal to the time it took the wheel to rotate from one gap to the next tooth. Since Fizeau knew the rotation speed of the wheel, the number of teeth, and the distance the light traveled, he plugged these values into a formula and calculated the speed of light. His result came out to about 330